Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to install BakkesMod for Rocket League from Epic Games. First, open any browser, type in BakkesMod, go to the first site and click Download Now. Download the archive. Open it, move this file to your desktop, open it, and click Yes. A window will pop up, click Yes. Click Next, then click Install. Click No here, then click Finish. BakkesMod opens. Click Yes. It's updating. There. And that's it. We've installed BakkesMod. Next, just launch the game. Through Epic Games. Let me launch it and I'll be right back. Okay, either wait or I'll be back. So I'm in, and my preferences opened automatically. See, you can choose either BakkesMod free play bindings or Phoenix free play bindings. You can close this and press F. And now you can control BakkesMod from here. See you everyone.